What's up everyone? Welcome to a series of videos where we'll be covering each of Zoner Photo Studio's modules. Today's module is going to be the Manager module, so let's stop wasting time and take a look. So you'll find the Navigator in this module here on the left side of the interface. It's one of the main components, and you can see all of your files and connected drivers here. If there's anything you'll need to find, a surefire way to do it is to start at this PC. For example, notice that I've got a memory card here connected to my computer with the name Lumix. And when I open it, I can immediately see all of its contents here in the browser as previews. To store the photos from the memory card, just hit the import button located on the bottom corner of the user interface. If you want to quicken your workflow and organize your files a lot better, it's a really good idea to start utilizing the catalog, and that's located in the top left-hand corner of the interface. Adding your photos here will not only save you time, but if you're normally using large raw files, adding them here will save you a lot more time with your workflow thanks to preloading. In the middle of the interface, you'll find previews of your photographs, which you can double click on and they'll expand with a film strip popping up below them containing further previews. Now let's go back to the browser and notice that next to the preview icon, there's a viewer icon, and that enables you to view your selected photo in full size. And you can do the same thing by just clicking F3 on your keyboard. You can even play a little slideshow or check your overexposed areas in the photo. You'll find other functions here like printing, rotation, sharing on social media, and if you want to go back to the interface, just simply hit the escape button. I'd like to show you how you can display two browsers next to each other or one on top of the other. Move your mouse here and click onto the browser. Here you'll have the options of two browsers stacked and two browsers side by side. You can also access the map, which will show you exactly where your photos were taken physically. Of course, it's necessary to have the GPS coordinates set up in your camera to have it work properly. You can also enter them manually and have that data placed right here on the right side of the panel. And you'll also find all of the other information associated with the photograph in this same panel, as well as the things we mentioned earlier, like keywords, descriptions, and more. You can also adjust the rating of the photo using a specific amount of stars or label certain photos with a color scheme. We like keyboard shortcuts here at Zoner Photo Studio, so you can use your keyboard instead. Just use the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to select a star rating, and then hold Shift and then those same numbers to select the color label without actually clicking on them. And above this info, we'll find some other quick options like image rotation, quick fix, and a batch filter option to adjust several photos at once if you have more than just one. And above these tools, you'll find an export option and a share option, which will ready a post or image when you choose the respective social media option. Okay, so today we went over the basics of the Manager module. I hope it was useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video series. Catch you later.